Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to grant shared mailbox access in Office 365 and add it in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to outlook.cloud.microsoft. This will take you to the Microsoft Outlook web app where you can manage your email and shared mailboxes. Once the page loads, log into your account using your Microsoft credentials to access your inbox. After your email has loaded and you can see your main inbox, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile icon displayed there, typically showing your initials or profile picture. Click on this profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu with additional options. This menu gives you access to various account settings and mailbox management features that aren't immediately visible from the main interface. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on the option labeled Open Another Mailbox. This feature is specifically designed to help you access and manage shared mailboxes that have been set up within your organization. It's an essential tool for teams that need to collaborate using a common email address for departments like support, sales, or HR. Once you click on Open Another Mailbox, a new window will pop up, prompting you for information. In this window, you'll see a text field where you need to enter the email address of the shared mailbox you want to access. Type in the complete email address carefully, making sure there are no typos, as this needs to match exactly with the shared mailbox address that's been set up in your Office 365 environment. After you've entered the email address, click the Open button to proceed. At this point, the system will initiate a verification process to ensure secure access. You'll receive a verification email shortly, which serves as a security measure to confirm that you have the proper authorization to access this shared mailbox. This email will contain specific instructions and may include a one-time password or verification link that you need to follow. Open your email and locate this verification message. Follow the instructions provided within the email carefully to complete the verification process. This step is crucial as it grants you the necessary permissions to access the shared mailbox. Once you've completed the verification, you'll have full access to the shared mailbox within your Outlook interface. And that's it. You've successfully granted shared mailbox access in Office 365 and added it to your Outlook. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.